Hop into the 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection. Comfort blends with versatility in bold, modern style in this striking Santa Fe. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.